In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access HubSpot HTML email. It's a straightforward process that will allow you to view and even copy the HTML content of any email within your HubSpot account. Whether you're customizing your emails or simply curious about their structure, these steps will guide you through the process with ease. First, you'll need to log into your HubSpot account. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry. You can easily sign up on their website. HubSpot offers a variety of tools that can supercharge your marketing efforts, so getting familiar with the platform is definitely worthwhile. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the marketing section of your dashboard. It's typically located somewhere at the top of the screen. Click on Email, and this will take you to the hub where all of your emails reside. Now, within this email hub, take a moment to browse and find the specific email for which you need the HTML code. Click on the email's name, and this will open up more detailed options for that particular email. Once you're there, you'll see a preview of the email. You'll need to hover your mouse over the preview. As soon as you do that, an option labeled View Email will present itself. Click on that option to proceed. With the email fully opened, you're now ready to view the HTML content. Right-click anywhere on the web page. Depending on your browser, you should see an option that says View Page Source, or something similar. For instance, in Chrome, this option often reads as View Page Source, whereas in Firefox, it might appear as Page Source. Offering a peek behind the curtain, this feature reveals the HTML code that constructs the email. In certain situations, you might need to copy this HTML code. Perhaps you're integrating it with another tool, making edits, or simply keeping it for reference. To do this, start by highlighting the code you're interested in. Once highlighted, right-click and select the Copy option. Now, the HTML code is on your clipboard, ready to be pasted wherever you need it. That's all there is to it. Accessing and copying HTML from your HubSpot emails is a simple yet powerful way to take control of your email marketing. You now have all the tools at your disposal to explore and utilize the HTML content of your HubSpot emails for whatever purpose suits you best. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.